Hey, what's up? It looks like I'm a fan of AutoVox company, because in this video we will talk about the new product of this brand, and this is already the 6th video about AutoVox device on our channel, Tech Brothers. We already made the video about AutoVox Solar Wireless Backup Camera, Mirror Dash Cam with front and backup camera, Wireless Backup Camera, and Backup Camera with Rear View Mirror. Yeah, AutoVox has many different cameras for your vehicle. In this video we will talk about AutoVox TW1. This is another backup camera, but its main features are built-in battery and wireless connection, wide viewing angle, 720p resolution, 6 adjustable guidelines, and solar charging support. The price of the new AutoVox backup camera is $190. I will leave the link to Amazon in the description under the video. As usual, let's start the review with unboxing. AutoVox TW1 backup camera comes in a quite big box, because there is not only backup camera in the package, but also monitor and accessories, such as monitor section mount, car charger, charging cable, double-sided tape, screwdriver and user manual. I also have a solar panel for this backup camera. It is sold additionally on Amazon, and it has the price of $25. There is a solar panel in the box, as well as a bracket, 2 tiny screws and double-sided tape. Okay, now let's take a look at backup camera and monitor. AutoVox TW1 backup camera is not very compact. Its dimensions are 230 by 50 by 50 mm. The camera is already installed on the metal bracket, but you can remove it by unscrewing the anti-theft screw with a screwdriver that comes in the package. Backup camera has a power button on the right side and micro USB charging port on the left side. There is also camera lens on the front that can be rotated up and down by 30 degrees. By the way, backup camera is IP68 waterproof. You can drive on foggy, rainy or snowy days without worrying about water damage. Talking about monitor, it has a diagonal of 5 inches and HD resolution. There are 3 physical buttons on the right side, such as up, down and menu. The monitor also has antenna for connection with backup camera and power cable. Also, I want to show you solar panel. It doesn't have any buttons, but only built-in power cable with micro USB port. It is connected to backup camera. The manufacturer says that AutoVox TW1 has 5 minutes DIY installation. It really took me only some minutes to install backup camera and monitor. By the way, you can install backup camera on the top or bottom license plate. The monitor can be installed anywhere in the dashboard. However, it shouldn't obstruct your driving vision. The manufacturer says that AutoVox TW1 has a new upgraded bracket. The bracket is made of superior silicon material, and it can withstand a high temperature. Finally, you can use a bracket to install a solar panel on the backup camera itself, or you can use double-sided tape to stick solar panel on the license plate. The monitor has settings menu. There are 6 sections in the menu, such as Pair, BC Control, MU Control, Reverse in Time, Guideline, and Reset. In BC Control you can change the brightness and contrast. MU Control allows changing the viewing of backup camera from mirror and normal, as well as upside and down. Then we have Reverse in Time, 45, 60 and 90 seconds. You can also turn on/off guideline. By the way, AutoVox TW1 supports dual camera channel. You can install one camera on the back, while another on the side of your vehicle, like on this picture. You can also install one backup camera on the first car and another backup camera on the second car. Then just move the monitor from one car to another, so you don't need 2 monitors. Another scenario of use is to install one camera on the trailer and another camera on the truck. Everything will be under control. By the way, as I already said, backup camera is waterproof, so you can even install it on the boat. In addition, I came up with another use case. Install the camera on the rear windshield to control the situation of the children in the back seat. That's all very good, but let's check the quality of the video. As I already said, the video capture resolution is 720p. I think the video quality in daytime is good for backup camera. You can see everything on this screen, even the license plate of the car behind you. The camera has night vision, so you can park in reverse in total darkness. AutoVox TW1 is a useful device, especially for trucks, pickups, and other large cars. I like a fast and easy installation of backup camera and monitor. The wireless connection of backup camera to monitor means that you don't have to run a cable through the cabin of your car. Finally, the video quality in daytime is very good, and you can safely park in reverse in total darkness using the new AutoVox backup camera. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button if you like it.